Hello everyone, I'm the FM expert Hideki. Today, we are going to review a beautiful diecast model. It is a 172 MiG-29 GT Far Clam B from JC. The MiG-29 program is a fourth-generation fighter developed by Soviet Union to counter the American F-15 and F-14. Development began in 1972 and mass production began in 1982. This model is MiG-29 GT Far Clam B of the Polish Air Force. MiG-29 GT Far Clam B is version of the Soviet-made MiG-29UB, a double-seat training type, which was modified in Germany to NATO standards. And this model is specially painted commemorating the Polish ace Brigadier General Stanisław Skalski. In 2050 by the Polish Air Force. Stanisław Skalski was a Polish fighter ace of the Polish Air Force in World War II. He was born on the 27th of November 1915 after completing pilot training school in 1938. On the 1st September of 1939, at 5:39 a.m., he shot down German Henschel 126. It's also probably the first World War II shot down record. Skalski then landed next to it, helped to bandage wounded crew members, and arranged for them to be taken to military hospital. In 1990, he met with the German pilot he had rescued on the first day of the war. By the 16th of September, Skalski reached ace status, climbing a total of 6 German aircrafts and making him the first Allied air ace of World War II. When the Soviet Union invaded Poland, he was exiled to the UK. The Battle of Britain, which began in July 1940, was assigned to the Royal Air Force and recorded 6 downed records. In October 1943, he founded and became the leader of the Polish fighter team, PFT, which was created by collecting elite Polish spy people. This unit was called the Skalski's Circus. Skalski is a Polish ace pilot with the most shot-down record in World War II, with an official score of 22. Another remains uncertain. After the World War II in Europe, Skalski returned to Poland in 1947 and served in the Polish Air Force. However, in 1948, he was arrested on the charges of espionage by the Stalinist regime and eventually sentenced to life imprisonment. When Stalin died in 1953, the political direction gradually changed in Poland, and Skalski was released in 1956 and was immediately allowed to return to the Polish Air Force. He died in Warsaw on 12th of November 2004. Today, we looked at the 172 MiG-29 Far Cram B from JC. My airplane videos are available every Monday. Hope to see you again soon. Break ready now!